Did you just hurt your shoulder and are you afraid to move it? My name is Melanie Fajardo and I'm here to show you an exercise that you can do at home. So what you need to do is find a nice countertop, something that you can lean forward, and what you're going to be doing are a couple pendulum swings with the arm. What you're going to do is slowly lean forward and you're going to rock the body back and forth. The key things here is that all of this should be passive, meaning that you're not actively moving the arm and kind of just going with the flow. So you're going to rock back and forth, and then you can also rock side to side. And then lastly, you can also do circles. You can go clockwise and counterclockwise. Same thing, making sure that everything's passive and the arm is just kind of going with the flow. If that feels okay, you can add a 1 or 2 pound weight or even just a soup can that you have at home. Same thing, add the weight, do your pendulum swings. You're going to go forward and back, side to side, and then also counterclockwise and clockwise as well. But remember, it should all be passive and kind of listen to your body. It should all be pain-free.